Hi guys, this is Alfred again, coming up with a brand new video talking about cryptocurrencies. Today, I just want to share another tip with you, and this tip is about how to send cryptocurrencies to a friend or a family member using Coinbase.com. For this transaction, I will assume that your friend or family member is also a member of Coinbase.com. So if this is the case, the transaction is free. There is no fee to pay. And if you are new to our channel, I just want to welcome you to our channel. And if you are not one of our subscribers, I would like to invite you to subscribe to our channel to support us. And also, if you are a subscriber, every time I put up a brand new video, you are a privileged member. You will be one of the first person to see it before everybody else. So with that being said, let me jump onto my screen so I can show you how to send crypto to a friend or a family members. So if you log into your Coinbase account, we should see this background, this homepage in front of you. So on the left side, where you see portfolio balance, this should display some type of amount if your account is set up right. But in case this is showing zero, that means your account is not ready to send or receive cryptocurrency yet, meaning that you haven't added a payment method to your account. So if this is the case, I can send you to one of my videos that I shoot earlier talking about how to add a payment method to your Coinbase account so your account can be ready to send and receive cryptocurrencies. With that being said, so if you want to send a cryptocurrency to a friend, when you come to this top right corner over here, where you see send and receive, you click on this box. So when you click on this box, send and receive, then what we're going to do, we want to send to a friend. So what we do first is to go down here and then to pick the coin that we want to send. So by default, it's on this coin, Ethereum Classic, but this is not the coin I want to send. So I can click on the arrow over here. And then once you click on the arrow, the system will show you all the coins that you have in your portfolio. So, and then you pick the coin that you want to send. In this case, I want to send this second coin, which is basic attention. So I'll click on this. So once I click on this, you see that pay with just change. So this coin is now selected by default over here. As you can see, basic attention. Then you have to make sure that this is the coin you want to send. And then you come back over here. How much of this coin you want to send to your friend? I would just want to send $2 in this coin so my friend can experience what is called cryptocurrencies. So I put $2 over here and then I come down to over here. So I'm sending $2 to my friend. So you can send with different options. Over here, I have 3 options. You can send using a mobile phone of your friend, or you can send using the email address of your friend, or a crypto wallet address of your friend. So the mobile phone and the email address have to be one of this mobile or email address that is already attached to your friend's crypto account. So for this scenario, my friend phone number I'm going to be using is 913 544 4079. So once I put the phone number that is already attached to my friend account, and then you can put a note here. This is optional, but if you want to put a note, I want to put a note saying that I'm sending to Joel, which is my friend. as a gift. So once you type the note, and then your coin is already here selected for you, and the next thing you do is to click on continue. So once you click on continue, then Coinbase will preview the transaction so you can make sure this is what you want to do. It's very important that you make sure this is what you want to do. So you are sending $2 in this coin, which is basic attention, to your friend using his mobile phone number. And then you put a note that you send in to Joel as a gift. And this is the coin you are selected. And then this is a Coinbase fee. Like I said before, is 0. And the network fee is also 0. And the total amount you send in is $2. And Coinbase is telling you that the payment will be received instantly, meaning that both of you are members of Coinbase account. So this transaction will be instant. As soon as you send now, the cryptocurrency should be landed in your friend's crypto account on Coinbase.com. So what we do to complete this transaction is just to click send now. So this is how you can quickly send the cryptocurrencies to one of your friends, also member of Coinbase.com, so he or she can experience what is called cryptocurrencies. I just want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye now.